Hi, welcome to Chamberlains. This is a new project that we just started. So the project itself is going to be an existing property which has not been touched for the last 20 years. It's kind of in a dilapidated state at the moment. We're going to convert it into 3 flats. The works itself is going to be a large basement excavation to form part of the ground floor 4-bedroom flat. Okay, so the basement is going to be 2 ensuite rooms and a private courtyard coming out into the garden, steps coming up into the garden itself. So there is an existing extension in place already, and the basement itself is going to be below the extension. So we're going to be breaking this surface, reflooring with the sound insulation, etc., to meet the current planning and building requirements. Okay, let me walk you through to the rest of the house. So this room itself is going to become the lounge, and through here will be the steps leading down into the basement. And the basement will have 2 large ensuite rooms with a private courtyard, with both rooms having French doors accessing into the courtyard. So the entrance to the first floor flat would be via here, where the staircase would end. There'll be an entrance door, and the entrance to the flat on the second floor will be on the staircase, with a new staircase going upstairs. So once we're into flat 2, this would then become a small bedroom, and you're going to have the master bedroom here. Obviously there's going to be partitioning done to separate the 2 walls. There will also be an ensuite for this large room over here. So one of the requests from our client was that he would love to keep the original fireplaces as features in all the flats in the bedrooms. So we're going to be boarding them off to make sure that they're not damaged, as well as complying with all the health and safety and sound insulation so that noise doesn't travel across the flats. So this will become bedroom number 2, and then here we're going to have a bathroom, and this area over here then becomes your open plan lounge and kitchen with a brand new small first floor extension going out to maximize the space. This is bedroom number 2. The wall will come in slightly and the window will be much smaller to facilitate the open plan lounge and kitchen next door with the new extension. So the loft itself will basically house 1 bedroom, study room and an open plan kitchen lounge. There will be a large dormer to facilitate this, and we're re-roofing to give it a brand new look as well. Thank you for watching our Chamberlains project video. Please follow us to keep up to date with the rest of the project.